Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. This is my variety channel where I talk about Squishmallows, Build-A-Bear, skincare, hair care, pretty much a little bit of everything. I don't have a niche here, but today we're talking about Squishmallows. I have another haul. Like I said before, I am kind of actively looking for very specific ones at this point. I can't just have them all because I don't have room for them, even though I wish I did, because who wouldn't want to make room for all the stuffed animals? So I went Squishmallow hunting. Like I mentioned before, there's a lot of resellers in my neighborhood and in the stores that I hit up. So I'm going to talk about that while I show you all the new members of the family. Up was Target at 86th Street. I had good luck with them in the past if you watched my previous video. So I got this beautiful bunny. I mean, the color is gorgeous. The floppy ears, I think she's adorable. And they have a fluffy white tail. So this was the only Easter thing that I found at this particular Target. So this was actually the only Squishable there, aside from like an avocado toast one that I don't really like. But that was very slim pickings that day. And I want to say we went mid-afternoon, and then I didn't find any of the Squishable Easter baskets or anything like that. It was just this one. Super cute though, so I grabbed her. She's less than 20 inches. She's not 16 inches. She's the size just below that, which is perfect for me because I did mention that I'm running out of space, so I'm trying to avoid the 16 to 20 inch Squishmallows, even though that's my favorite size. I just don't have enough room on my bed for them. So once we were done with Target, I headed over to Learning Express Toys, which is a toy store that I found through Instagram. They have a bunch of them throughout the United States. I checked it out. Honestly, it was very overpriced. Not just the Squishmallows, but even like their Pokemon cards. Like, I was just looking at the prices of things. It struck me as a little bit overpriced, and it's a very small store, so it's very cluttered. I did find some cuties. This one right here, it's like a cute little bug. I'm assuming it's a Valentine's Day one because it has the hearts on her belly. And she's a butterfly? I think she's a butterfly. I like her little wings. I like her antennas. So she was $30. This one was $30, which I hate because if the 16-inch ones are $20, I feel like this one's smaller than that. Clearly, it should be cheaper, but that was not the case. I just read the inside tag. She is a butterfly. Her name is Ren. This is a 12-inch Squishmallow, which I don't have really many this size, and I do like the size. It's not too big, it's not too small. I just wish she wasn't $30, but she's adorable. I kind of like that watercolory pastel look to her, and I'm happy that she's joining the family. So the next one that I got from Learning Express Toys was Palasha. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. She's like a little dragon. She is 8 inches. She was $20, but it's fine. She's really cute. I think she's a dragon. I wanted to say she was a dinosaur, but I'm not sure. Who cares? She's cute. I'm assuming she's also a Valentine's Day one because it says sweet on it. She's adorable. I love her. I forgot I got her. I think she's slightly stained. I'm not going back to that store. Can you tell? It's a fine store. I know a lot of people had great experiences with those. I will say the one I saw was significantly smaller than the ones I've seen in other states, but I'm assuming because it's Manhattan, that's kind of the trade-off when it comes to space for your store. Sorry, there's an airplane. Done. So once we were done with Learning Express Toys, we headed over to Claries. There's a Claries on the Upper West Side. I love it. It usually has a good amount of Squishmallows available. The first time I went, I didn't get anything, but they had a lot of big ones. This time they had smaller ones, but I got two that are exclusive to Claries, I believe, and they're food related. I'm so excited. So let's talk about the pancakes first. She's very cute. Her name is Rayan, and she's a stack of pancakes. It's very adorable. Actually, no, this one's not exclusive to Claire's, the other one is, but yeah, she's cute. This reminds me of Squishables, which is another stuffed animal brand. This is just super similar because they do a lot of food ones, and I mean, not that I care, but I'm just saying, like, when I first saw this, I didn't believe it was a Squishmallow, but it is a Squishmallow, so I'm super excited. She's adorable. Anything food related, I'm down for. So a stack of pancakes with butter on the top, absolutely. She's a cutie pie. And then the one that I really wanted, that I had my eye on for a while at Claire's, is this one. I have never seen this in a bigger size, so if you do, let me know. But I've never, even on Claire's website, I haven't seen them offer this in a bigger size, because I would love this bigger. Like, this is worth getting it big. But it's a burger cat, and her name is Hayes. So this is exclusive to Claire's. It says it on the tag. It has Claire's at the bottom. She's adorable. This one piece of cheese though does tend to stick up. I don't think the others were doing that. I just happened to choose the one that was flipping up. I bring it down, but sometimes it does pop back up again. But yeah, she's a burger, and she's cute, and I really like her. I do notice that Claire's does run a lot of promotions, and a lot of times Squishmallows are included, with the exception of their Sanrio licensed ones, and I think like the Pusheen ones. So I did get a Sanrio one, very small. and a little bit pricey, but I guess that's to be expected when it comes to those licensing things. But yeah, this burger is adorable. I'm super happy with her. And here's the Sanrio one. She is 5 inches, I believe. I really like some of the others in this collection. I've seen them at Costco or on their website because I don't have access to a Costco. I have a PJ's. So I want to buy it online before it sells out, and they're 20 inches. I have not yet had a 20-inch Squishmallow. I've only had the 16-inch one so far. So I definitely am desperate to get my hands on them. I should just order them now. They did have one that I wanted. I'll put it right here. I forgot his name, but I don't like it at 5 inches. I just feel like I want them bigger. But yes, this is my Melody. Super cute. She's adorable. She's tiny. Almost just a little bit bigger than a keychain would be, but I'm happy with her. I had to have her, and the only reason I didn't get the others is because I was like, oh well, I kind of want them in a bigger size. But watch me regret that if that sells out. Payday's tomorrow though, so I'll be okay. So once I was done with all of this, the following day I went to Target with my husband. He's been with me for this journey. He collects Pokemon cards. I collect Squishmallows. It's meant to be. We went to the Throg's Neck Target, which generally I don't have good luck with because again, there's a lot of resellers there. Every time my husband has gone by himself, he's run into like Pokemon resellers. So I didn't expect to get anything, and sure enough, I went to the toy section of the Squishmallows, didn't find anything. Then I went to the Easter section and I found one of the ones that I've been dying for, this ducky, I forgot her name, Amy with her little Easter overalls, dress, and her little hat. She's absolutely adorable. I've never had Amy before, like the normal version. I'm glad I found this one. This one was on my wish list for the longest time, and they had a couple of her left, and then I had her and I was like, okay, this is the only thing I'm getting, that's fine. But I started looking behind all the other normal stuffed animals because they do have a lot of normal ones, not just Peeps, but just normal like Eastery, bunny, puppy dogs in that aisle, and I was looking behind them, and then I found a Squishmallow. So that's the next one we're gonna talk about. So I found my first Easter basket. I've seen these all over Instagram. This was literally the only one they had left, and like I said before, it was hidden behind a bunch of stuffed animals. I'm not sure if someone placed it there in the hopes of coming back for it, or if it just tumbled around, because sometimes when people look at things, they just leave a mess. I'm not quite sure, but this one's really cute. It has Wendy and Blake. Cute. It has a froggy and a bunny. I'll put their names up here, and it has a green basket. Again, this was my first time seeing these, so I had no idea how much they were. They're $24. I wish they were a little bit less than that, but I guess it makes sense because you're getting two and you're getting like a little basket, and they are kind of tethered to it, because I was worried that I might find a basket with no stuffed animal in it, like someone stealing it, which honestly I wouldn't put it past someone. I mean, I've seen worse things, but yeah, they're super cute. I really like it. So we have Valentina, and we have Freddie. Freddie's so cute. It is super cute. I think there's one with a carrot that I really want, but honestly, Easter's around the corner and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to find it. I've kind of at a point where I burned out a little, I'm not gonna lie. I just was going to so many stores constantly, and I was spending way too much money after I had just said in the previous video that I was gonna like slow it down a little bit. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to be continuing this. I do have a couple of 16-inch ones that I do have to show you. They're still at my husband's house. Not just Opal, we did find some good ones. So I'm going to show you those soon. That's going to be the next haul. But I'm trying not to add any more to that because I'm trying to be responsible, and I'm trying to, you know, try to move up in life. And the Squishmallows are taking over my life, honestly. So this is gonna be the last haul. So pretty soon these Squishmallow videos are gonna be kind of winding down just a little bit until I can figure some things out. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on BunnyJanie on Instagram and Twitter, where I post a lot of updates on what I'm filming, what I'm working on behind the scenes, and also when I find these guys, I usually put up a location for anyone living in New York City. You can try finding them too. I know it is a struggle to get these sometimes depending on where you're living. And yeah, that being said, I will see you very soon with another video. Bye.